Of cryptos, and today video I'm going to show you a 4-hour strategy for ADA USD. And I already talked about that. That's a video about the house sweet trading that you have 99% of chance of winning, so you can check that video. So also I'm using same strategy to this ADA USD trading chart. So first of all, you have to go to trading view and select ADA USDT or USD chart. It doesn't matter which one you choose, and then you need to choose the time frame for 1 day, and then see where you are now. Currently where you are now, so you can see here, I'm sorry, this is some kind of overbought place, this is some kind of oversold, and also looks like this is a 50 RSI line. So we are under the 50 line, so that's the main reason. So if we are under the 50 line, we are mostly consider for long trades, and if you are in here some kind of area, we try to use shorting. And also in this strategy, we are not using higher leverage, we are only use maximum 2x leverage. If not, you can use as a spot trading. It's mean like you can you can do this without leverage. In the shorting method, we can use 1x leverage or 2x leverage when the shorting. So let me to explain the strategy. So after check that where you are currently where the chart is, so it's under 50. So I'm choosing for long. It doesn't matter if you are going to um, shorting at this moment. So now we are here, so we have to choose long. But for the explanation of this video, I'm choosing longs, and I'm showing you how you can do that. So first of all, then you need to go to 4-hour charts after see where you are now, and then you can see the strategy is something like this. Whenever this 4-hour chart overbought, it should come to like oversold, and then it's going back up to overbought and then come to oversold, and then it must be going to overbought area. So whenever you see this 4-hour chart is touching this 2830 line, like if you things like this, it's something like here, like here. So whenever you see this, you can buy here, and uh, then you can see this chart is going down and down again, and then you have to wait until it's go up to something like this here, touching 70, buying at 30 here, and selling at 70. So if you check that, if you are here and enter here, you can see it's a 20% of gain, and then we exit the trade. So that's a one trade method. So this is a sudden move, we can check that too, but let me to show you the that later, and let me to choose another place. So here you are, so you can see you got a touch to 30, so you have to buy from here. This is the place you are buying, and then you have to wait it's go up to something like this, then you can sell here, then you can sell that area. So if you start here to here, it's 7 days, it's a 1 week, but anyway you have gained 20% without losing your money. And then let's jump back to the another place. So you can see here touched, and it's go down to here. You can short it from here, I will talk about later in another video, but let's try to understand the first how the buying works, and then you can go to how the selling works. So here you are in the place that you can see this is the place that we can long. So let me show you that this is very important place, because this is something special happen. So we are using 1x leverage. Let me delete this one first. Hold on. We are using no leverage or 2x leverage. So let's think about that. Here is your entry point. Then what happened? It's going down like this crazy. Okay, so it's going down like this crazy. So first you have to, here let's think about, you have $1,000. You have separated it to 20, and it's a $50. It's a $50. So it's a 50 now. So I'm sorry, this, it's a 50. So you're putting 50 here, in here. You have $50 in here. In this place you're buying 50, and then you can see it's not going to touch this here. Instead of that, it's going down back to the our RSI 30% line. So what do you need to do is you have to wait. You have to check and wait. You can, let's think about, you have to enter to another trade. To your average price is your entry price is here. Let me show you that. Your entry price is here. Then what you are doing is you are putting $50 here. So this is your entry price, and the chart is not going up, instead of it's going down. So you are entering here with another, not 50, it must be a double. You are entering with another $100. So you are doubling the price of this entry point. Okay, so now your margin equal to 150, and your entry point will be here. Your entry point is here. So your entry point is mostly here. I think it's not here because of not half. It should be like here, or a little bit down here, like this. And then it's chart going again and again, going down again. It's still not touch another point, so you have to wait. And it's touch, whenever it's touch here, it's we can call 70. It's touch 70 here, and then what you need to do, you got a profit of 7%. It's mean it's a 21% of your initial margin. So because of this is a 50, no, and then here's a 150, and it's a 7% from 150. So it's mean 21% from $50. So you get 7% of trade, and you must be exit from here. It doesn't matter if in a chart it's going up or down, it doesn't matter. So in here we also we can also take our profit, and also we want that trade too. So let's see this chart. This is very important, and this is very nice. So let's see again. We have to, I'm do it little faster than last time now. So this is our entry point, because we are touched here. So this is our entry point 1, and then you can see we touch again. We are not interesting, because there is no any huge gap between this entry point and this entry point. We have to wait to some kind of going more lower. And let's think about this entry point. This is a good one. Because you can see this is going down like 20% from 20 to 10 to 20% different. between here and there. So let me check. Yes, 10% different. That's a good entry point. So I'm entering here with here 50, here 100. So my entry will be here with 150. Whenever here this is 150, then suddenly this is a news came about ADA. So let's see. This is the overbought area here. So this is the 70% touch. Okay, this is the area that I can take a profit here because RSI is 70. Instead of that, if I wait a little bit longer, so I can get this huge up movement if I can touch. So it's a 82%. I know it's some kind of a huge gain. It doesn't happening every time, but anyway, if you are not wait for that, you can get this 10% of profit. It's mean 150 for 10%. It's a $50. So that's the ADA winning every time winning trade. That the thing you need to do. This is very easy to do for beginners and everyone. If you don't understand anything on here, please comment about that and I will explain you how you can do that. Thank you so much for guys watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. It's all about crypto related content. Thank you so much.